Divorce is like an onion. The more you peel at it, the more it stinks. Sometimes in your journey through divorce, you'll get lost, like I just got right now, trying to find my way up this mountain. You just have to plan out your route and take some steps forward. So once you start peeling away those stinky layers of that onion, it starts to stink up the whole house, and soon it gets on all your clothes and gets into your life. No one else wants to smell that onion, no one else wants to be around that onion. Now you might think it lasts forever, but I can tell you from experience, it doesn't. You will eventually run out of that onion. And eventually, that freedom will come. And today is that day for me, which I'll be bringing this watermelon to the top of this mountain here beside me to enjoy my freedom. Divorce will hit you when you're least expecting it. And like the weather changing and raining on my jacket that isn't waterproof, you have to learn to accept what has come and deal with it. It may not be your fault, but it's your responsibility to deal with your divorce. The metaphors are actually uncanny out here. As I step in the snow, my feet are sloshing around. My footsteps are unstable, very much like it's going through a divorce. But I can assure you, at some point, the nightmare will end. Within the madness, you will find solitude in places, just hopefully not places like this. I realized before sticking my head in there, maybe I should go to the end, just in case there's a cougar in there. Oh, there's no cougar in there. That would have made for one heck of a video though if there was a cougar in there. Once you have a plan in place, it's important to try to follow the footsteps of others. It smells like a buffalo died up here. Ugh. It's just the stench of divorce. But trust me, my friends, it will pass. I have a feeling it was just this pile of stinky logs right here that have been burned. I think the best advice I can give for divorce is to keep pushing yourself. The more you push yourself, the more self-respect you'll have as you get better at detecting cougars. I'm usually a little high alert when I'm hiking by myself, and that's a perfect example. So I don't really strive to hike by myself, but sometimes it's just out of necessity, so I just go out, doesn't matter. But then I always feel extra pride when I do it by myself, just because, like, you know, if a cougar does drop out of a tree, it's on me to save my own life. I don't have anyone else to back me up, and there's something really empowering about that. And just driving out here today, it was probably the worst road I've ever driven on, like worst conditions, with a logging road with big potholes and lots of snow, something I'm just not used to driving in. And, you know, I feel more accomplished now even just doing that. So I'd recommend anyone going through divorce to spend some time thinking about what really would push you and challenge you, and do that while you're going through divorce, and that will give you more self-respect and thus make you stronger to push through all the hard times. Sometimes we just need to enjoy what we can in life, whether it's the beautiful white snow, the fresh, clean air, the calm, the peace in the woods here. I don't know. But also, like I said, pushing yourself. The fact that I know that if I don't get out of here in 4 hours, this place is gonna be cold and dark and inhospitable. So there's something good about, you know, pushing yourself, but also enjoying the calm and peace in life. Whew. Now I'm freezing. It's cold. I don't think you can tell how steep this is, but going up there, that's flat. That's the feeling of freedom, my friends. It's my goal. Something you need to ask yourself is, what is your price of freedom? Don't sell yourself short, but also don't sacrifice your health for money. The quicker you can end it with the least amount of ties possible, the happier you will be. The worst part of divorce, it will start to consume you, become your identity. You'll be that guy or girl going through a divorce. I highly recommend and encourage you to not adopt that identity and really try to create a strong new identity of who you want to be and really embrace that instead. It'll put you in a much better place when your divorce is finally over. So no matter what you're going through in your divorce, whether it's your partner is cheating on you, stealing your money, or whatever it is, it's important to remember that this too shall pass. Remember that phrase, this too shall pass, and a smile is free. So you can always change your mood by smiling. I know this advice kind of sucks in bad situations, but it's true. A smile really can change your mood, and just remember, this too shall pass. So we're starting to clear up here. It's like absolutely miserable out here, and I'm just so happy. I don't know, it's just such a wonderful day. I've waited 4 years for this moment. This really goes to show you're in control of your own sovereignty, of your own brain. So now it's time for the celebratory watermelon. I didn't lug this thing up here for nothing. Me. This is so silly. All right, so I've got this tiny knife to cut this watermelon. Look at that, we got a watermelon. Oh, it smells good. Oh. That's so good. This is so ridiculous, but it's fun. I've learned it's important to celebrate the victories along the way, just as you would with a birthday, graduation, baby shower, or a wedding. Creating a positive outlook on the process of divorce by celebrating small victories will make you feel the progress of the process. Progress is built into our DNA to feel fulfilled. You'll find the happiness you seek as soon as one of you drops your ego. Be that person, dissolve your ego, and find a happy medium. Often the other person just wants to be heard, wants to be recognized. By doing this, you'll get your goal quicker. Stay strong and stick with it, and you too will have your day to eat a watermelon on a mountain. So good.